Gecko Robotics becomes 1.25 billion unicorn. Robots that save warships, power plants, and infrastructure. Gecko Robotics has officially hit unicorn status. No, not the mythical creature, but the billion-dollar kind. With a fresh $125 million in Series D funding, the Pittsburgh-based company has doubled its valuation to a cool $1.25 billion. Not bad for a business that started in a college dorm room. Gecko builds robots that climb, swim, and fly their way across critical infrastructure. Think warships, power plants, and pipelines, gathering high-quality data to keep things running safely and efficiently. Their software platform, Cantilever, takes the data and helps clients prevent disasters, improve performance, and modernize systems. From working with the US military to teaming up with Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, Gecko is proving that infrastructure may not be flashy, but it's definitely important. While the rest of the tech world is obsessed with AI-generated selfies, Gecko's using AI to protect the real world. And that investors like Enterprises and Y Combinator agree is worth backing. So here's the Gecko Robotics $1 billion step closer to making the built world a little smarter and a lot safer. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from RoboPhilosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.